Hi guys, so basically I'm making pancakes today as it is pancake day. It is pancake day, right? Anyway, so I'm gonna make pancakes, and I normally make from I normally make it from scratch, and for some reason I can't make it from scratch today. I mean, I'm missing something. Flour, egg, milk. But I didn't have to do that, by the way, because I got this packet, right? So why, I don't understand why it's not working. I am getting the ump. I'm not gonna lie, I am getting the ump. Do I just try and do this and hope that everyone's okay? It doesn't look okay. It looks like slime. Shake, 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 shake it. Shake, 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 shake it. Shake it. What about a thing? Woo! Woo! I just nearly died. Attempt to flip the pancake. Really, watch your skills. I flipped it. Back to it. Okay, just do it again. I'm so glad I bought 2 packets. I'm going to start again because this is driving me insane that it's gone. Can I help you? That it's gone. I don't know. It's like slime. I can't feel my kid's slime. Hopefully this one goes good. Because if it don't, I don't know what I'm going to do. But I've put half of the packet in first. And then maybe it's because there was too much in it. I don't really know. I'm not a good cook. No, don't eat that because that's really bad. So yeah, let's just see how this works out. I don't want to brag or anything, but I think I've done it. I've managed it. I think I put too much of that flour stuff in there. It was just really big. So we're gonna start again. Ouch. Yeah. I made it in a bowl this time because my mixer bowls were yucky. I think I've done it. Let's go. I'm just putting this here. I am sorry for the next part of the video. I don't even know why I've put this in. My body has many parts. Renegade, renegade. Ooh. Can I have a peppermint? You can have a peppermint. That's too hot for me. Boom, boom. Ah! Yeah, one second. Who did that? Oscar. Okay. I think I've messed up because mine don't look like pancakes. They look like naan bread. Is it naan? Naan. Look. Naan bread, right? So proud of myself, honestly. I can't keep myself contained. I would just appreciate if everyone liked and subscribed for pity. I'm gonna go and eat a salad now. Not like you needed to know that, but